Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will show you how to make Google Sheets editable. Let's get started. Open your Google Sheets app on your Android phone. Then choose the file that you want to make it editable. And I'm going to choose a schedule file right here. And on the schedule file, we can click on this three dots button. Then there will be several options for us, and we can simply click on Manage Access. Alright, and wait for a moment. And you can click on this general access to change the general access. Click on change and click on this option. Then you have to choose anyone with the link. And wait for a moment, it's still updating. Alright, and the permission has been updated, and we have to make sure that we click on viewer, and there will be three options for you. And if you want to make it editable, you can click on editor. Click on editor and wait for a moment, it's still loading. And alright guys, now your Google Sheets can be edited. Okay guys, that's how we can make Google Sheets editable. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.